Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up a simple little system whereby you can generate leads and forward a call from a Twilio number to a business number and have the call recorded so you can refer to that. So you can use this little system to sell to a local business, and you could basically say, I'll send you some leads and charge them for the leads. So let's get started. I'm going to do a simple little code here. You don't have to be a programmer really to do this. Just watch the video and do what I do, and you'll be in business. Go to a website called twimlbin.com. That's TWIMLBIN.com. And Twimlbin is a website that allows you to host Twilio markup language without a web server. So you don't need to worry about uploading files, XML files, or anything to your web server. Just go to Twimlbin and it'll store it for you. And let me show you how to do that. Now you know that Twilio markup language is basically um, a phone call interacts with a web page basically, and it does that by reading TWIML. And I guess it's Twilio's invention or whatever you want to call it. But you go to Twimlbin and create it. Let's create a new one. It automatically puts the code there to tell it that it's an XML file. And what we're going to do is just add a couple things of code here. When Twilio calls a phone number, like I said, it interacts with a web page, an XML file, or whatever. And the first thing you want to do is put response, because it needs to know what to do. The response is going to be whatever you type in below. So our response, all of these tags have to be capital letters in the beginning. So our response is going to be dial. And we're going to dial a phone number, and I'll insert it here in a minute. Um, but before we dial the number, we're going to tell it to record. Record equals true. So just tell it true, and then we'll close this one. Whoops. Okay, now here's where the number goes. So let's just make up a number. Um, let's see, 555 444 5454. Okay. Now you can put the number in there without the dashes or use dashes. So either format works fine. Okay, so we'll close that out with a closing dial tag. Okay, so what's happened here is the phone number has come to this web page. It reads the response. It tells it to dial the number we inserted there, and it tells it to record it. Now all we have to do is close out the response. Now, if there's any invalid TWIML, you'll see it in red. Now you see that both of these are green, so we're in business. Okay, so it's saved. It saves it automatically, so you don't have to do it. Now what you want to do is go down here and grab this. This is where this is stored, right there. And it's private. We're going to copy it. And we're going to go over to my Twilio account here. And let's just go to numbers. And what we're going to do is just grab a number here. Click on the number that you want to do it to and insert it right here. I don't want to insert it and overwrite this, but you want to insert it right there. Just paste, and you'll be in business. And then be sure to go down and save these changes. Now, what happens is when somebody calls that number, or whatever number that you put in there, they are going to um, have the number forwarded to that 555 call. It'll be recorded, and where it's going to be is in your logs. So you go to logs, and then go to recordings. And you'll see you can listen right there. It'll open up an MP3 file. So that's how you forward a Twilio number to any number you'd like, a business number, offline client, or whatever, and record the call, and hopefully sell it as a lead to your prospects. So hope that helps. If you want to learn all kinds of stuff with this Twilio stuff, OpenVBX, flows, all that kind of stuff, I've been working with this stuff for about a year now, and I've come up with a lot of cool things that you could take and you could sell to offline businesses. So if you're interested in learning more through video and through various training things, enter your name and email in the form below, and I'll just get you in the list, and I'll get you these videos, and you'll learn a whole lot of stuff that you can make a lot of money with. So that's all. Let me know if you have any questions.